Hey, what's up everybody and welcome. My name is Aaron Pryor and I'll be the one taking you on this fasting journey. If you've already enrolled, I want to say thank you so much. You've got a lot of good content ahead of you, lots of good information. Sit back, enjoy the ride. If you haven't enrolled yet and this is part of your research process, I also want to say good for you because you should do as much research as possible. And this course is going to give you a lot of information. So what are we going to cover? Well, in this intro section, we'll be talking about why I'm doing this fast, this deep fast. We're going to talk about the benefits of fasting and all the good stuff that come along with it. So I'll give you those details. We're going to talk about how I'm going to be doing it, my plan, and what that entails. After that, we'll jump into daily logs. So I'll be checking in at least twice a day, giving you a lot of information on my weight for that day, how I'm feeling mentally and physically, any symptoms I'm having of the fast. So you kind of have an idea of what to expect. Going into it blind, kind of like I did. Not exactly totally blind, but going into it blind is definitely not a good thing. Try to get as much information as possible, and this will give you exactly what happened along the way. At the end, I'm going to recap everything that happened along the 5-day fast. I'm going to give you lessons learned, my tips, and any other information that I have. Anyway, that's pretty much it. We're going to jump into some content. Like I said, I highly recommend enrolling if you haven't already. Click that button, jump on in, and check it out. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and I will see you in the next one.